Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
So happy to hear that. Okay, thank you. Thank you for remembering that, and thank you for being,
Good evening, ma'am.
say, perfect characters. Good evening. Thank you. See, look at Saeed's picture. He's just standing very nice, stuck. So everybody is available. 14 students are there, and I'm going to write a sound on the screen. Sorry, a symbol on the screen. You got to identify it, or I will say the sound. I will say the sound. You write it now. Okay. A sound. Write A. Or should I teach you now, everyone, one by one? That is right, huh? Will that be good? What do you think? However, huh? Okay, if anyone knows that perfectly, then fine, we can just skip to other sounds. Others can learn from the beginning. Better we might try your knowledge. All right. I'm going to now connect you to this one. And then I'll now write the list. Everybody copy it. Then we will practice. Each and every student will learn with me. Okay? All right. This is what we are going to learn now. Okay. So first I'm going to call. Everybody copy this in the same order I have written. Sowell Jason. He is looking stagnant. You're not writing, baby? Sorry, man. You're a man. Okay, grown up. So, well, you get your notebook and copy this content to your notebook and we will practice together. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
I've stopped sharing, okay? So first one, I'm going to call Justin. Okay, there is a special reason for that. Justin, let's begin. Kindly unmute.
Ma'am.
Yeah. The first sound is E.
E.
When you pronounce a sound, you just touch that symbol. Or you write the symbol again. You write the symbol again. Okay? When you hear, you speak, you make a sound, you write. Okay?
Yes,
Once
ma'am.
again.
E.
E. E. These are the two sounds now we are learning. E. E. Say it, man.
E. E.
Good. Okay. Don't feel shame, Justin. I'm trying this because you cannot download the app. That's why. Next one. Ooh, ooh,
U. U.
ooh, ooh. Look, don't look at me or the screen. Only look at the notebook and look at the symbols and by heart it. If you don't know the symbol, you're never going to learn it. That's why. Ooh, ooh.
U. U.
Okay? E, E.
E. E.
When I say the sound, you have to touch that symbol. Okay? You have to. Otherwise, you are not going to learn it. Next one. Ooh, ooh.
U. U.
Good one. Other sounds are, be very attentive. Everyone, you also learn when I'm teaching Justin. You also learn when I'm teaching Justin. Okay? E, like that it goes. Okay? It will start from, then you are seeing three symbols in the line, right? The first one, E, second one, third one. So I will be saying all these sounds at the same time. I will not stop it. If you also have to practice in that way, then only you will understand the lip movements for each symbol. E, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Look here on the screen. First one, E, Can you now say in the same way by unmuting your devices?
E.
Eh,
E. E.
Good one, Srihari. Everybody, make in the same way. I want to listen all the 18 sounds together. Make it a zoo, really. We can make it a zoo, actually. Everybody, unmute. Justin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Eh. I'll also make a sound. Eh. Okay.
eh,
Eh.
eh,
Eh.
eh,
Eh.
eh,
Eh.
eh,
Eh.
eh,
Good, 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 good. All right. Learned it? Then you are going to learn the next pair. O, 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 O. Okay? Can I hear your sound, please?
oh, oh,
Ah,
oh,
yeah, it's like a song now. Okay, yeah. In the song, in the film Chemneen, you know, we can listen these kind of songs. So you learned it. I hope so. You people are very intelligent. I know that you're very intelligent. So I'm going to call first Ashik Joshi. Okay, he's the most intelligent one, and he will now tell me all the sounds. He's going to read it. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Yep. Start from the beginning, Ashik.
E,
Next.
E,
Next.
U,
Okay.
U,
Next.
eh,
Next.
eh,
Seriously? Yeah. Next.
oh,
Uh-huh. Is your
oh,
name Ashik?
yes,
Is
ma'am.
your name Ashik? Wow, man. You had done it. Seriously. I wasn't expecting this from you. I thought that we'll be having a fight today. What do you want? Which chocolate do you like most?
Dairy milk.
Dairy milk. Done. Deal. Okay? Send me your address in WhatsApp. I'll send it across.
Yes, ma'am.
If anybody else wants dairy milk, learn. Learn properly. Okay, Ashik, thank you very much. So who is going to say next? Geraldine is waiting for my call. Yeah. Start from the beginning. You have the symbols in your notebook. Read it. I know this pattern. I know the order.
E,
Next.
E,
Next.
U,
Next.
U,
Next.
E,
Yes.
A,
Yes. Perfect. The last
O,
two.
O,
Yes.
O.
You are my girl. Which is your favorite chocolate?
Galaxy.
You. Good one, good one. No problem. It's available here. I'll send it. Or I'll come and visit you during the autumn vacations and I'll distribute it some way. Okay. Now, Abin.
Ma'am.
Yes.
E,
Yes.
E,
Yes.
U,
Yes.
U,
Yes.
E,
Yes. Good one. Perfect.
O,
Next.
O.
Wonderful. Tell me your favorite brand.
Dairy milk.
Dairy milk is okay. Fine. Okay. If you can just fix it with between Dairy milk and Galaxy, it's easy for me to buy from the shops. Okay. So next time I'm going to call Justin.
E,
Yes.
E,
Yes.
E,
Yes.
E.
Is that the second one?
Ma'am, my order is shuffled.
It's okay. It's okay. You say in the same order. But you know, I want to know you are saying the same symbol, same sound. So you go according to the order. You rewrite this E, U, U, O, like that. Okay, I'll come back to you. Anjali.
E,
Yes.
E,
Yes.
U,
Yes.
U,
Yes.
E,
Yes.
E,
Yes.
E,
U. Then,
E,
look at the symbol and now you
E,
will read.
E,
Okay. Yeah. Then,
E,
yes.
E,
Perfect. Next one.
O,
Yes.
O.
Wonderful, Anjali. That was really a good one. So, which is your favorite one? Galaxy or Dairy Milk?
Dairy milk.
Dairy Milk. All are Dairy Milk kids. Okay. So next one. So I think we should send this to Dairy Milk Company. How many students are liking them, right? And they will give me some kind of reward for taking the survey also during the class time. So I'm going to call Gauri.
Ma'am,
Yeah, start.
E,
Yes.
E,
Yes. No. Read this in the same order. Which is the first one you're seeing there?
E,
Are you seeing E first there, Gauri?
E.
Look at the screen and read. Okay, look at the screen and read according to the order I have written there. All right, start again.
E, E,
Baby, first one which is given an arrow mark is the one I'm testing now.
E,
Once again,
E,
shall we learn now? The first one is, the first symbol is written like this. That is a standing line with the dot and two other dots on the right side. That is E. Okay.
E,
And which could be the next one?
A,
Somebody is playing the app there. Stop it. Okay. This sound is actually the pronunciation in the app is the kind of between a in mid of a e. Okay, but the real sound is e, e,
E.
e. Okay, you push your stomach, then you will get this right sound.
E.
E. All right. Can you repeat with these two, switch between these two sounds, Gauri?
E. E.
Make it more stretched. Actually, you know, we will have to exaggerate it during the training time. Then only we can understand between these two symbols. So make it a stretched one. The first one, E, E. Like that, a song. It's like a song you practice. E, E.
E.
Good one. Next, once again.
E. E.
Good one. Next batch, next pair.
O. O.
Excellent. Come to the third set.
A.
Yes.
A.
Second one in the third set.
A.
No. First one is A. Second one is A.
A.
A. A.
A.
So now you learn between them two. Okay. You touch the A sound and A sound and keep on saying A, A. A,
A.
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 A. Are you
A.
touching with me? Are you touching these symbols with me? You have to, please. Okay. Don't forget your age. We are now second standard and first standard students. Okay. I learned it at 30. Then A, A,
A.
A,
A.
A,
A.
A,
A.
A,
A.
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 Next one. Are you touching the third sound? Huh? Okay. Now we will continue. We will practice the third three all at a time. You keep on touching it. Okay. A,
A. A.
uh,
A.
uh.
A.
Once again. A,
A. A.
Good. Once again. A.
A. A.
We will repeat for two more times. A.
A. A.
A.
A. A.
Good one. Okay. Shall we try the last set? Can you
Yes,
read
ma'am.
this last set now?
O.
Good.
O.
O, then
O.
O. Okay. Here, you know, we don't have to follow the Malayalam style of extensions for the short vowels as well. Here, in the short vowels in English, we have to stop it suddenly. Okay, we have to cut the voice suddenly. For this, we push the stomach. Oh, it's like we are just giving a push to the air and making it. Okay, like that. Oh, you just press your stomach inside and say oh, just like you have a stomach pain or you have anywhere pain anywhere. Like that, you have to make it. Oh, like that. Clear? Can we make it again, Gauri? Gauri?
O.
Yes.
O.
Then you made it wrong. The first one, O. The next one, O, like that. Shall we try? 2 times. Okay, say with ma'am and touch the symbols. O,
O.
O,
O.
O,
O.
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 Clear? I'll come back to
Yes.
you once we towards the end of the session. Let me try another students as well. All right. Sean Roshan. I'm seeing you after, I think, a long time. Can you try this, please? Start from the beginning.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Can you please turn on the video as well? Yeah, please. Please start from the beginning. I can't hear anything, Sean. Is there any problem, Sean? We should learn it from the beginning, Sean. Should we learn it? Do you need any support? Tell me frankly, I have no hesitation to teach anyone from the beginning. Sean, can you hear me? Please reply if you can hear me. Please unmute now. Unmute, please. Sean, kindly unmute. This boy cannot. Yeah. Please speak now. Start. We need to stop the class. It's already 8:30. See, I have pinned your video and everybody is watching what you're doing there, okay? Everybody is watching. So clearly say, if you don't know, we will learn. If you know, please start. You should at least say what I'm asking. If you know it, you please say. Otherwise, you say, I don't know. What kind of man is this? Yeah, anyway. Sean, can you listen to me? Did anyone hear Sean's response? Did anyone hear?
No, ma'am.
No. So I think he's not willing to respond, right? Maybe. He's not willing to
I
respond.
think he had a problem with the mic because
Maybe.
his lips were moving.
You found his lips were moving. Then it's okay, fine, complete. No issues. So I know that Sania knows it. Sriram will certainly know. Adulya will also know. Anton, right? Anton, unmute. Yeah, he lost connection. That's why. Anton, you there? Gone? Chala gaya. Fine. So somehow, when I taught Gauri, you also learned, for sure I know. Okay, so it's time to wind up the session. I want you to repeat the same lessons for the next opening time. Okay, we'll be having a short vacation. You know that there will be a Onam's vacation. So happy faces. See Ashik's face. So enjoy your time. I'm not giving you any homework,
Hello, ma'am.
any burden. Okay, so
Ma'am.
yes, Sean. Yes, Sean. Yeah. Tell me. I think you had a connection problem, right, Sean?
Ma'am, network issue.
Okay. Are you willing to take a test now for the sound?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please. Still, there is a problem for him. Sean, it's completely fine that you're you're willing to participate. That itself is very positive for me. I will do one thing. I'll test you next time. Okay, not an issue at all. All right. So, who can say that very witty dialogue in Karika latest? Who can say that? See, Abhin is smiling. Who will say that? I think Sriram or Srihari will certainly say that.
Ma'am, I don't speak Korean, so I don't.
What? We'll end up that with this punchy dialogue. You don't know? You don't watch Karika?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Not at all.
Seriously, Ashik knows certainly.
Ma'am, I don't watch also.
You don't watch also. Abhin knows.
Babu, ma'am.
മാമനോടൊന്നും തോന്നല്ല മക്കളെ അല്ലേ Okay, very nice, very nice. Actually, that is now in a hit thing. Babu Nambudri was the previous one, even before something. Nisaram. Okay, so we will face everything like Nisaram, and when there is a disturbance between us, I will say Onnum thonnalle makkale, like that. Okay, so life will go on so smoothly like this, and everybody enjoy and celebrate your Onam time with your family members, and remember all of us. Okay.
I'm saying
And if possible, send pictures with your Onam attires, outfits. I would be loving to see them all. All right, because you cannot come here. So at least I can see you through the pictures. All right. Chalega? Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very much.
Thank
See you
you, ma'am.
next week after the reopening. Bye-bye.